Welcome back guys to 509. So today we got a Traxxas M41 boat. We're gonna unbox it and then we're gonna run it. It's the first boat on the channel, so I'm really excited to test it out. Also, if you guys want the merch, go down below. I have a link. Go check it out. All right, let's unbox this thing. Dang, this thing is big. It's a lot bigger than I expected. And this looks good. And the details inside look pretty cool. I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. And then it goes like that. Here's just a little closer look of the boat. All these little details. Even has a little throttle thingy. That's pretty cool. So it is a brushless motor. We already got the batteries in. So we put it to the front. If you guys read right here, smooth water, move the packs to the back. If it's rough, move it to the forward. So we're gonna just run it all the way front. Oh, it's shut down. Oh, really?
Yeah, the propeller came off.
What the heck? I think the propeller with the flex tube just came off. Not sure if this was loose or what happened, but... So, before you guys start, make sure you guys check these bolts right here, these nuts.
Got it!
Make sure they're tight and make sure the prop is sitting in there. Yeah, it just sucks. First day, we just put it in the water and we just lost the whole piece right here. I mean, the whole thing was just only 30 bucks, but you know, first day, we lost that thing and we had to go home and buy a part. So, make sure, check this before you guys run. All right, now we're gonna plug in the batteries again and then go run it again. You guys go check out Roman's channel. He just opened one up. It's called Globe Throttle, and you know, he does everything with like dirt bikes, motorcycles. I mean, everything to do with like motor. So go support him. Go check it out. I'll have his link down below. Globe Throttle right there. Okay, time to take the drone out. All right, guys, that's it for this video. We just went through 4 batteries. This thing eats batteries so fast. My first time having a boat, and I like it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe down below. Make sure you guys check out the merch. I'll see you guys next time.